Hello! If we can judge a box by its cover, then this is gonna be a good one. So how's everybody doing out there on the interwebs? You guys well? You guys fine? You guys being safe? I hope you are. Because today, we got ourselves a new set of truly wireless earbuds. Now it comes from a company that I'm not familiar with at all, but they reached out to me. They asked to see if I wanted a pair. They asked to see what kind of color I wanted, and they asked to see which pair did I want that they had to offer. And so I picked these out because I was like, you know what? I'm tired of the typical, black and white and just plain colors. Let me get pink. And plus, my wife, my kids, my daughters, they don't have a set of truly wireless earbuds. And so, you know what? I was like, send me the pink ones and send me the Etts. ETT. Send me those, please. And here they are. So of course, I'd like to thank Sudio for sending these out to me. And everything that you're gonna hear on this video is gonna be my opinion alone. We're gonna take a first look at them and see if they're any good, if they, pass the test, so to speak. So let's get into it. So front of the box, we got a picture of the buds. Sudio is the brand. These things have active noise canceling, wireless charging, and 30 hours of total playtime, according to the front of the box. On the side, we got the model, which is Ett, ETT. On the back, we got a picture of the case. We got a picture of the buds, Sudio Ett. So we got active noise canceling, a clear voice microphone. We'll check that out. So according to this, the case can charge your buds 4 extra times, 5 sizes of parabolic ear tips. Okay. Dual mode instant connection, IPX5 water protection. We love our IPX ratings here because, you're working out, you're out here in the California sun, you're sweating, and you don't want these things to shock you. USB Type-C quick charge capability, thank you very much. And 3 sizes of conic ear tips. All right, we'll check it out and see what we got going on. All right, so let's slide it open. Looks like we're greeted with the accessories box. We got ourselves the case. It's got a little nifty little strap right there. Maybe you can attach it to your keys, attach it to your belt loop. If you rock pink, dude. Yeah, cool. It says right here to charge before use. Let's take this plastic off. So here we have a look at the front of the case. Sudio up front, 4 LEDs. Your USB Type-C charging port is going to be on the left side. And let's open up the case. So the case is it's a hard plastic, definitely not too much weight to it. The lid looks like we got ourselves a satisfying close. You put it upside down. Yep, looks like they're gonna stay closed due to some magnets. It is kind of flimsy up here, so it'll stay up if it's like this, but if you're tilted a little bit that way, it's gonna fall shut. So I almost forgot to I'm just so, digging in. I just almost forgot to mention the price. So these are going to run you about 160 bucks. So definitely premium in price. We'll see if they're premium in quality. But let's carry on, I guess. So here we have a look at the left earbud. Looks like there's a couple of LEDs on the side of the earbud. And it looks like we have a multi-function tactile button right there. Here's a look at the inside of the earbud. Looks like a pretty deep chamber, so we're probably gonna get some good sound out of this. At least I'm thinking so from the size of the chamber. Yeah, because look at it. It's pretty deep. So here's a look inside the case. So when you put your earbuds in, so they just go in there, bam, just like that. And yep, they're not going out. They're in there charging, and they're connected via magnets. So I guess we'll put this to the side and we'll check out the accessories. Looks like we got ourselves a variety of ear tips, which are different sizes, and they're pink, which match the earbuds. So yeah, cool. And then to tie the package all together, we got ourselves a pink USB Type A to USB Type C cable. Oh wow, okay. This is a nice card. This is some serious card stock here. It says, welcome to the Sudio Sphere. Join us within 3 months of your purchase at sudio.com/sphere and receive an extension of your warranty to 18 months. The other side, it says, this product has been subject to our quality control. This card certifies that this is a genuine Sudio product. Your product is protected against manufacturing defects. Please visit their website in case of a malfunction. Nice. Here's a quick owner's guide. This gives you some controls and some basic instructions. And on the back of it, we got our specifications. So the driver size is 10 millimeters, so okay. We might have some good stuff going on right here. And we got ourselves a warnings and precautions booklet. Typical. I think they always got to put these in there, and so I always get one. So let's get down to business. Let's pair these babies up. Let's listen to them and see what we got going on. I'll be right back with you. Okay, well, I wish I had some, I wish I had some good news. I really do. You know, these are $160. $160. And they're gonna give me a discount code, and you know, I'll put it down below. But these are $160. I honestly, I've heard better budget sounding earbuds than these, and I really wanted to like them. Well, let's talk about the positives. So yes, they fit good in the ear. The tactile buttons works. You can use the left channel. You can use the right channel. You can use them separately, you know, independently. You can use them together. You know, no lag in voice, watching videos, watching YouTube videos, Netflix. I didn't notice any lag. Let's see, what else? USB Type-C, people. USB Type-C. Wireless charging. Hey. Wireless charging. But I go through, you know, similar tests with all my earbuds. I try the same thing. I try to make it as realistic as possible, or like the real world as possible. And unfortunately, call quality was okay. You know, it was okay. My wife did notice the fans, did hear the fans. A lot of these truly wireless earbuds, at least as of recent on the channel, my wife hasn't heard the fan at all. But with this one, you heard the fan. So that means like background noise, wind, you're gonna hear it. Sound quality, well, it gets to a decent level as far as loudness. It does not distort, so that's good. The bass is there. The mids and the highs are clear. It's just not a full sound that I would like, especially for this price. It's not a punchy full surround sound that I would like for this price. Man, I was expecting big things from these, but unfortunately it just doesn't deliver. And I got to be honest, and it just doesn't. You know, it just doesn't. But hey, you know, you can't win them all. You can't win them all. I'm sure my wife is going to enjoy these. She's going to love the color, of course, the little handle. So, you know, she's happy, I'm happy. But as far as, you know, could I recommend these? Nah, especially not at that price. Nah, I can't. I'm sorry, I can't. But ultimately, you know, it's your pocketbook, it's your money. You can buy whatever you want. If you have any additional questions about these, you know, don't hesitate. Just leave a comment down below, and I'll definitely get back to you as soon as I can. So if you're ready to buy or would like more information on the Sudio Ett, leave a comment down below or click the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to make sure you're in the loop for all things handsome gadgets. Please give a thumbs up if you liked the video, and I guess a thumbs down if you didn't care for it. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram @HandsomeGadgets. Thank you and have a good one.